Finding it hard to crochet a bra cup. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to crochet a bra cup with the accurate sizes and also showing you the right accurate measurement for other sizes too. So for this project, I'll be needing yarn. I'll be using 2 strands of this. This is a 2-ply yarn, 100% acrylic. So I'll be using double strands for this project. I'll also use my measuring tape to get the accurate measurement, my darning needle to sew in the loose ends, my hook, 4mm crochet hook, and my scissors. So this is what we're going to be crocheting today. This is a bra cup. I'm also going to be teaching you on how to know the exact measurement for any size. So this size is for a small size. Yeah, I'll be using my measuring tape and I'll be working with centimeters. This should be 14 centimeter long. Yeah, 14 centimeter long and 13 centimeter wide. Yeah, so this is for a small size, and if you need to know other sizes, just check on the screen. Yeah, then you will know the exact size you need to know for other sizes of bra cup. So we're starting with a slip knot. Just yarn over, hold it with your 2 fingers here, then the hook from the back to the front, then twist it to the back, then to the front back. Then hold it tight, yarn over and pull through, and make it tight. That's how to make a slip knot. So I'll be making chains, and I'm making the chain of my measurement of 6 centimeters. Make sure while you're chaining, you are also checking the measurements. So I've made 11 chains. I'm going to check it using my measuring tape to get the accurate measurement. And this is a 6 centimeter, which is the right measurement for this. So after getting the right measurement, I'm going to chain 2, 1, and 2. Then we're going to be working double crochet in the 3rd stitch from the hook. So we're going to count from here, 1, 2, and 3. We're going to be working double crochet here from this hook, and this will be the where we will start. So double crochet is yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, then we go again. So I've gotten to the end stitch, and in this end stitch we're going to be making 2 double crochet in here first. So let's make 2 double crochet in this last stitch first. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, put through a loop, yarn over, put through 2 loops, yarn over, put through 2 again, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, put through a loop, gives you 3 loops, yarn over, put through 2, yarn over, put through 2. Then after making your 2 double crochet, you're going to chain 1, and in that same stitch you're going to be making 3 double crochets. So let's go. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, put through a loop, gives you 3 loops, yarn over, put through 2, yarn over, put through 2. Then let's make the remaining 2 more double crochets in the same stitch. So after you've done this, we're going to continue double crocheting on the opposite side. This other side, we're going to continue with double crocheting, no increase. So make it tight, and we're going to be working this loose end. You're going to put it here in the middle so that you will be working it into it to cover it. Yeah. So continue your double crochet across the next stitch, and remember to put in this yarn in the middle to cover it up by crocheting. So I've gotten to the end stitch here. So you can see I've been working this loose end inside the middle. You can see it's just remaining the short side, but I'm not done with the last end. You will always find out that this is the end stitch, but you will see the two chains you made here in this end. We are going to be working in down here, the first chain there. Always check so you won't skip this chain here, and we're going to be making a double crochet there. So yarn over, insert your hook there, yarn over, put through, yarn over, put you through, yarn over, put you through. So I'm going to be cutting this off here. There. So after cutting it, you can see the way it looks now, like this. Then when you are done with this first row we've made like this, you're going to chain 2, 1 and 2. Then you're going to turn your work. And then after turning your work, you're going to double crochet across here. But remember, you're not going to be doing a double crochet in the first stitch here, because this 2 chains has already counted as a double crochet, so you work in the second stitch. So I've gotten to this upper side. Remember we chained 1 in the first row, so and the chain 1 is this space here. Yeah, so this is the chain 1 here. So I'm not done yet. I'll be making 1 more double crochet in this stitch here. Then after making 1 double crochet in this chain 1 space, this space below, not inside the chain but this space below, that's where we're going to be working on this space here. We're going to be doing 2 double crochet here. So this is 1 and this is 2. So after this 2 double crochet, we're going to chain 1. So chain 1 again, then make 2 more double crochet inside the same space. So this is another one, and this is the second one. So after this, continue double crochet across here inside the stitch now, not inside this hole, this space, but now inside the stitch. We'll be working inside the stitch now. I've gotten to the end part, so I'm still going to be making 1 more double crochet in this stitch and in the next chain. So make in this stitch and this last end. I told you to always be watchful of this end, the chain 2, the 2 chains you always make here. So we're going to be working in 1 chain in the second chain here, the upper parts here. That's where we're going to be working on. So you're going to do a double crochet there. So we always be watchful. So yarn over, insert your hook there. Yarn over, put through, yarn over, put you two, yarn over, put you two. Then when crossing over to the other side back, you're going to chain 2. 1, 2. Then turn your work and start your double crochet across. But remember, do not start in this first stitch. Start in the second stitch because this chain 2 has counted as a double crochet already. So you start in the second stitch. So I've gotten to this pointing side. Remember this space here, this chain 1 space, this space below the chain 1 is where we're going to be working on. So we're going to be making 2 double crochet, then chain 1 and another 2 double crochet like this. This is 1 double crochet, this is 2 double crochet, then chain 1 and do 2 more double crochet in the same space. This is another one, and this is the second one. Then continue double crochet across. So you can see how the shape is coming out. You can see how it is coming out. So continue the same procedure till you get to your desired length. So if you can't remember this procedure, you have to go backward and we check it again, we watch it again, then you will get it. Then continue this procedure to your desired length. So I'm done with my desired size. So this is an extra small size, which the length should be 12 centimeters. So always remember to use a measuring tape to check in order to get the accurate measurement. So it's 12 centimeters long and 11.5 centimeters wide. Yeah, 11.5. So if you like this video, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel so you get notified of all the new tutorials I'll be posting. And please like this video if it helped you and share it to get to others. So this is an extra small size. This is a small size. You can see the difference. This is small size and this is an extra small size.